Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to add ear shape to your headphones Sony LinkBuds application. You have to start by click on sound, scroll down, and in a line analyze ear shape, click on analyze. Next. OK. Take a photo. OK. Now they ask you to make photo straight. And the next one, the second photo, is to turn your head to the right. Not move for 2 seconds. Here we go, I just add a photo for a left ear. And now let's make it for a right ear. Same, now it's a straight photo. And turn your head to the left. And wait for 2 seconds. Here we go. Now click on Start. Save. OK. And now you should wait. Now click on Start Step 2. Close it. OK. And here we go, we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!